Quick video showing you how to swap over the cartridges on the Allett Classic, and for most of the Alletts and all the other similar ones with the cartridges. Fairly simple. You've got a Allen key screw there and there, either side you need to undo. You need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on your cover, undo those. So it just takes a standard Allen key, 6mm this looks like, could be 5. Pop your cover off, give it a bit of a clean out, inspect your belts and stuff while you're there. Make sure everything looks good, no rips in your belts. All your pulleys are alright. Now onto the front. One there. And then one on the other side there. Now all you need to do now is just grab your handle. Oh, first things first, you need to take off your grass cradle. And then just give it a pull out. This one hasn't been out for a while, so it's a bit stiff. Watch your mower doesn't tip back. It's all out. Give it a bit of a clean if you need to. Then I'm putting this little scarifying tine in. Bit of a maintenance tip with this one. You'll find you'll get a lot of dirt and muck build up in here, so get it all scraped out. It'll perform a lot better when this is nice and free. So you pretty much reverse the process, just try and put it back in. Get your cog in that hole. And that's all in. Put your screws back in the side. Make sure it's lined up. Tighten them down. Tighten the screws down. Now you've just got the side cover to put back on. Pop it on and then just tighten your bolts up. Pop your cradle back in. It's just only sprung, so it just bends out. The correct setting for this, you want it on S for Scarify. You can play around with it if you find it's going too deep, you know, move it up to 1, but generally it's most effective when it's on the S. So yeah, that's how you change the cartridge. Not as quick as the modern one, but yeah, it doesn't take long, especially if you've got a drill. Makes it a bit quicker.